The cause of uneven stitches during sewing. From this example, after sewing, the top stitch looks good, but when we turn the back, it is very horrible. And this can be caused by two things, and I'm giving you the tips for that. When it happens this way, check the top threading and make sure that you have threaded all the necessary space. After that, check the bobbin and the bobbin case. Make sure that the bobbin is inserted right and the needle or the thread can be pulled in the right direction. These are the only things, the two things that can happen when the top stitch looks good and the down stitch is bad, or when the down stitch looks good and the top stitch is bad. Check the threading again and make sure that you have threaded it the right way and you have good quality stitches. Thank you.